Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to enable or disable auto power off on this TV. Simply go to settings, tap on all settings. Simply scroll down, tap on the option general and privacy. Then select power and energy savings. Here you can see the option auto power off. Now this is disabled. Now you can see if you enable this one, then you have to choose how long the TV will wait before turning off after no user interaction is detected. If you enable this one, simply tap on the OK button. Now you can see some timings: 4 hours, 6 hours and 8 hours. According to your choice, you can select 4 hours or 6 hours or 8 hours. So if you select the option 4 hours, so after 4 hours of inactivity on your TV, the TV will automatically turn off. So if you want to disable the auto power off, simply tap on the option and select the option off. So simply in this way, we can enable or disable the auto power off option on this TV. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.